Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to defeat the Wasp King in the Garden BCB event. So the Wasp King event will appear automatically every 10 minutes, and when it starts, you will notice a large group of wasps spawning around the map like this, and then just head over to the area and then just start attacking them right away. You can damage them wasps using your shovel, and while your base and pets will have still additional damage like this. The more wasps that you defeat, the more rewards that you will earn, like honey coins, royal jelly, and many more. And keep in mind that your base can be knocked out during the battle, and if they disappear, don't worry, they are just waiting for the respawn timer to finish. And after enough wasps are defeated, the Wasp King will finally appear, and this is the main boss fight. Just keep attacking with your shovel and let your beast do much damage as possible. The stronger beast and large AP team will make the fight much easier. And then after you successfully defeat the boss, you can get the rewards like this. And then next, just open the all reward chest, and in here you can obtain many rewards like honey coins, royal jelly, seed packs, and many more. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.